Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this cute little honeybee, amigurumi honeybee. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here we make a slip knot. Needle I am using is of 3.5 mm. After slip knot, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Here we join a first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, here we make a slip stitch. Now we get a very small tiny bit circle in between. It's small, but our needle can easily pass through it. Okay, now each time we will be passing a needle from that circle, that tiny hole, and we will be grabbing the yarn and pulling it through, and then we will make 15 double crochet stitches. See, each time I will pass my needle from that circle, grab the yarn, pull it through, and then I'll make my double crochet stitch. If any of you want to refer a tutorial video for double crochet stitch, a link is already given there in description. You can refer the video. It is with written notes, slow demonstration, quite easy to understand. Okay, I'll just complete this 15 double crochet stitches and I'll show you. Please ignore background noise, my kid is playing. Just remember, every single stitch you have to take by passing your needle from inside that circle, grabbing the yarn, pulling through, and then completing your double crochet stitch. So I'll just complete this 15 double crochet stitches and then I'll be showing you how it looks after completion. See, here I have completed 15 double crochet stitches. Now this is the first double crochet stitch. I will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. So my circle is complete. My first round is complete. That's the basic round. This is the basic round. Okay, see. Now following exact pattern, and before that just pull that free end of the yarn so the middle space is packed completely. Okay, all that gap is packed. We have to make two more exactly same two more white circles. These are wings of a honeybee. Okay, now we will be making rosy cheeks. Now for rosy cheek, take pink color or red color, whatever you want. Just make a slip knot and make one chain crochet stitch. Now in that first stitch itself, we will make 10 half double crochet stitches, and then we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. In that first stitch itself, we have to make 10 half double crochet stitches. And after every stitch, try to pull your yarn and make that stitch quite tighter. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now hereafter we will be making a complete project, a complete honeybee in half double crochet stitches. Okay, so anybody wants to refer how to make a half double crochet stitch tutorial video for half double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. You can refer the video. It is as usual with written notes, slow demonstration, quite easy to understand. Okay, so I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Okay, we need to make 2 of these circles. I'll just complete and I'll show you. So these are our 2 rosy chicks which we will stitch on the face of a honeybee. Okay, see, exactly same. You have to make 2 honeybees, sorry, 2 rosy chicks. Now we will come back to a yellow circle. Okay, now we will make 2 rounds. Okay, and for both rounds pattern is going to be 2 half double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, for both rounds pattern is going to be same, 2 half double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, and when we come to end, we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Just remember, for both rounds pattern is 2 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch, and when you come to end, join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So this is how it looks after completion. Okay, now this is the face part, so now we can I'll just join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now this is the face part, so just put your eyes, your smiley, your rosy cheeks or nose, whatever you want. If you want to place a bow, so just place it earlier only, because once we go ahead after that it becomes quite difficult to attach all these things. Okay, so this is how I made my face. Okay, okay, now after this, for only this round, for this first round, we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch and we will skip next stitch. Okay, only for this round. Okay, we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch and we will skip next stitch. So this I'm going to do in all the round. I will make 1 half double crochet stitch, skip next stitch, make 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch and skip the next stitch. So for this whole round pattern is going to be same. After that we will make 5 rounds, and for 5 rounds pattern will be 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, for all 5 rounds pattern will be 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. So I'll just complete these 6 rounds and I'll show you. Just remember, for first round we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch, skip another stitch, then again 1 half double crochet in one stitch and skip another stitch, only for one round. And after that 5 rounds 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. See these 5 rounds, 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. I have joined first and last stitch with the slip stitch. So now after this we will add a black color. Just remember, whenever you add new yarn, keep 2 loops on your needle, and before that don't cut your yellow yarn, we will need it later. So we have to just add black yarn. So keep 2 loops on the needle, pull your black yarn from both of them. Okay, and make a chain crochet stitch. This is the process to add new yarn to your project. Okay, and now we will make half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Pattern is going to be same, half double crochet stitch in each single stitch, but that stitch we will be taking from back thread of every stitch. See, I'm making this half double crochet stitch from back thread of every stitch. So this you have to do all around the round. See, from back thread of every stitch. Rest pattern is same, 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. I'll just complete this 2, and we will make 2 rounds black color yarn. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, here I am done with 2 rounds, 2 black rounds. Okay, now don't cut your black yarn, we will just get back to a yellow yarn. Okay, and as usual keep 2 loops on the needle and pull your yellow yarn from those 2 loops and make a chain crochet. And rest pattern is same, 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch, and these also we will be making from back thread of every stitch. Just remember, from back thread of every stitch. Okay, so for we will make 2 round in yellow color. So pattern is, for both round it is going to be 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch, and we are making those half double crochet stitch from back thread of the yarn of the stitch. I'm so sorry, from back thread of every stitch. See, here we complete our 2 round in yellow color. Okay, and now For this middle part, complete middle part of honeybee, pattern is same, 1/2 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, and that also we are making from the back thread of every stitch. Now again we will uh, make 2 rounds with black yarn. Okay, so keep 2 loops on the needle, pull your yarn, make a single chain crochet stitch, and again 1/2 double crochet stitch in each single stitch, and make each half double crochet stitch with the back thread of every stitch. Okay, so I'll just complete this 2 rounds also, and after that we are done with the black color, so then you can cut your yarn. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, here we are done a 2 round with the black color. Now again we will get back to, we are done with the black color, so if you want you can cut the yarn. Okay, and now we will get back to a yellow color. Keep 2 loops on the needle, and see, here we pull our yellow yarn from these 2 loops, black loops, and make a chain crochet. Okay, after this we will make 5 rounds. Pattern is again same, 1/2 double crochet stitch in each single stitch, and we will be taking from back thread of every stitch. Okay, so I'll just complete 5 rounds and I'll tell you further. We are almost done with our project. Okay, just remember, 1/2 double crochet stitch in each single stitch, and just use back thread of every stitch to make those stitches. I'll just complete 5 rounds and I'll show you. See, now here I'm done with 5 rounds. Okay, now we will close this honeybee, but before closing, don't forget, or before closing it completely, just don't forget to fill in with fillers. Okay, now for closing process is very simple. We are just going to do one pattern till complete closing. We will make 1/2 double crochet stitch in one stitch, and we will skip next stitch. So this we will go on doing same pattern till we come to 1/2 double crochet stitch, or till it is getting closed completely. Just don't forget to fill in fillers with the before closing completely. So just remember, for closing pattern is 1/2 double crochet stitch in one stitch and skip next stitch. Okay, then again 1/2 double crochet stitch in one stitch and skip next stitch. So go on doing it till you close it completely. So I will just fill in fillers, and yeah, after you are done with this, just stitch your white circles, wings, uh, in between the honeybee. So their complete project is complete. See, this is how it looks. Okay, just stitch wings in between. Okay, so those who have not subscribed my channel, I'll request you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sanjs Aasha. I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos, and those who have already subscribed, thanks a lot. And if you have liked the video, please like, comment and share, and please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thanks for watching video completely. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe to YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please do subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you.